Clocking out, understanding the phrase. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we're going to explore a common English phrase that you might hear in the workplace: clock out. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding this phrase can help you get a better grasp of everyday English. So stay tuned as we break down what it means to clock out and how you can use it in daily conversation. The phrase, clock out, originated from the time when employees had to physically punch their time cards into a clock to record the end of their work shift. To clock out means to complete your work shift for the day and record the time you stopped working. It's a way for businesses to keep track of employees' work hours. But it's not just for punching time cards. The phrase has evolved and can also be used figuratively to mean ending any activity or checking out mentally from a situation. Let's look at some examples of how to use clock out in everyday conversation. Literal usage in the workplace. I usually clock out at 6 p.m., but I stayed late today to finish the project. Figurative usage for ending activities. After running the marathon, I was ready to clock out and sleep for a week. Mental checkout. I clocked out during the meeting because it was so long and boring. You might have some questions about using this phrase, so let's clarify a few things. Is it only used in professional contexts? While it's commonly used regarding work, it's also applicable in social and casual situations. Can it be used in all tenses? Yes, you can use it in the past, clocked out, present continuous, when saying someone is clocking out right now, and future, planning to clock out later. Clocking out is more than just leaving work. It's a cultural concept. In many societies, especially where work-life balance is emphasized, clocking out signifies a boundary between professional and personal time. It is a reminder that everyone needs time to rest and recharge. And that wraps up our discussion about the phrase, clock out. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that you can use in different contexts, not just when you're leaving your job for the day. We hope this video has been informative and has added a useful expression to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time. See you in the next video.